here's a broken lag screw, and that's going to be real bad for our piece of masonite. And there's actually a couple of these. Ew. Wow. That's what was going on. Oh, I know what was going on. So all those holes were someone trying to screw something into the stage floor, but they didn't realize that this piece right here is sitting on top of a beam. This is a stage trap, and this is a stage trap, and this is a beam that supports the boards between the stage traps. And they were trying to use too long of a screw, and it was going through this piece of 2x4 tongue and groove and hitting that metal beam and breaking off. Wow, I picked a good one, huh? I think we're probably just going to get a grinder and grind those off. I might be able to pry that one out with the vice grips. I might be able to pry that one out with the vice grips, but not the others. Okay, I almost missed that. I could try pounding these in, but again, I know that they are below here, and this could actually be what's causing this piece of wood to buckle up and pull up. I know that below this is a piece of metal, and if I just pound them down, that metal is just going to pound them back up. So we're going to look at the vice grips on the big one. Really helps to know what is underneath your stage so that you don't have this problem. I think I can grab this one. So it's going to be a little bit harder. Broken lag screws. I do think I want to try and pull that one out, not just grind it down, because like I said, I think those two are pulling this board up. I don't have a lot to grip onto. If I create too much of a divot, then that's going to have the same effect on my masonite as a bump. If something heavy lands in that divot with that pocket underneath it, that's going to create a break in the masonite as well. This is not probably the best tool for this. I should have gotten a chisel. That was what I had handy. Still don't think I can grip that though. Maybe. going down. Look at that. That's going to be better. You'd think after breaking off 3 or 4 lag screws, the stagehands would have thought something was amiss and maybe stopped doing that. Maybe trying something different. Maybe trying to figure out why that was happening. But no, they kept doing that, and that's why there were about 15 or 20 holes here as they were trying to attach and screw something down in and failing. Gotten it. And we're in luck. And that's already made that side flush again as well. All right. Look at that. Major problem resolved.